Welcome to No More Excuses. In today's video, we will discuss how journaling can help improve your mental health. Journaling can help you manage your mental health in several ways. For example, it can reduce stress and anxiety, help you cope with trauma, and help you prioritize your worries and problems. You can also use journaling to deal with difficult emotions, such as anger and grief. Reduces stress. According to a study, journaling can improve mental health and speed healing. It also boosts the immune system, which is vital for our health. Stress can make us susceptible to viruses. Studies have also shown that journaling can make vaccines more effective. One study had medical students write about traumatic events. They were then compared to the groups who wrote about their daily plans and events. The group that journaled had a lower incidence of depression and anxiety. Writing about stressful experiences and emotions can help people process and explore different perspectives and options. It can help people identify the causes of their stressors and learn to deal with them in a healthy way. In addition, journaling allows you to reach out to other people and seek support when needed. People with severe trauma may find that journaling helps them deal with the symptoms of their condition. In addition to assisting them in coping with difficult emotions, it can help them find the positive side to their lives. Relieves depression and anxiety. Journaling is a helpful way to relieve depression and anxiety. It forces you to write down what you feel and helps you get to the bottom of it. It also allows you to explore your feelings and learn about yourself. It enables you to identify emotions and triggers to deal with them. For those who are suffering from anxiety or depression, journaling should be part of their daily routine. One study recruited 70 adults with elevated anxiety symptoms from local clinics. They were given a web-based intervention consisting of 3 15-minute sessions 3 times a week for 12 weeks. After 1 month, the participants reported lower levels of depression and anxiety. They also reported higher levels of resilience than patients undergoing usual care. Journaling also helps anxiety patients deal with current challenges. It can help them explore various options to improve their situation. It can also be used to deal with fears about the future. Helps to cope with trauma. Keeping a journal can help you cope with trauma. When writing about traumatic events, you may experience feelings that are uncomfortable to write about. If this is the case, you should seek professional help from a therapist. While you work with a therapist, journaling can help you prepare for your sessions and manage uncomfortable feelings. Journaling helps people deal with trauma by helping them find clarity and meaning in their experiences. It can also help people break unhealthy patterns that perpetuate the trauma cycle. It can also help individuals develop a greater sense of self, dismantle harmful narratives, and increase self-confidence. This is vital for trauma recovery. Journaling is a great way to work through trauma and deal with stress. It allows you to explore specific problems and develop a positive outlook on life. It can even help you cope with PTSD and its symptoms. When used correctly, journaling is a powerful tool that can improve your memory and increase your ability to see patterns in your life. Journaling is an expressive writing activity that has been shown to improve the ability of those with PTSD to cope with trauma. It helps to alleviate physical symptoms, reduces body tension, and helps people focus. Moreover, it's free therapy and can be done anywhere, even at home. Makes you happier. Keeping a journal can be a powerful tool for achieving a happier, healthier life. It helps you develop mindfulness and can help you deal with traumatic experiences. By writing down your thoughts, you'll learn to pay attention to the moment and avoid endless cycles of worrying about the past or the future. Studies have found that journaling can alter your brain chemistry, leading to higher feelings of happiness. It also signals the brain to produce calming hormones instead of stress hormones. People who keep a journal report lower anxiety, depression, and general distress. They also reported higher levels of resilience and gratitude. Journaling also boosts self-esteem and helps people deal with depression. In addition, focusing on gratitude enables you to overcome negative feelings and improve physical health. Gratitude increases the production of serotonin and dopamine, which are responsible for making us feel good. Gratitude also improves the quality of sleep. Research has shown that journaling can increase the effectiveness of vaccines. Research has also found that journaling helps the immune system. Studies have shown that writing about traumatic events can reduce the risk of infection. Furthermore, expressive writing helps with intrusive thoughts and anxiety. Goal setting and vision creation. Journaling is a great way to explore your dreams, identify your unhelpful habits, and plan a new path forward. It also helps you to think about your passions and identify the things that make you happy. The act of writing helps to flood your system with dopamine and activate the reward center of your brain. It may be challenging to begin, but journaling can become a habit over time. Writing goals down also increases your chances of achieving them. A study by Dominican University found that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them. However, it is crucial to take action daily to make them a reality. This could mean going to the gym, reading a book, or making other small steps. Once you have written down your goals, you must create a plan to follow through with them. Goal setting can be overwhelming for some people. Achieving goals gives you a greater sense of personal satisfaction and increased confidence. You may also feel more optimistic about yourself and your future if you are clear about your dreams. Goal setting can also be an excellent way to facilitate lifestyle changes. Conclusion: journaling is a popular non-pharmacological therapy used to improve mental health. It has many potential benefits. Journaling is an effective way to clear the mind and calm down. The process of writing allows the creative right hemisphere of the brain to shine. This, in turn, improves working memory, and it helps people suffering from mental illnesses and traumas. Journaling also helps people cope with pending thoughts and reduces the brain's need to remember. The benefits of journaling are well documented. For example, it can help people cope with anxiety, stress, grief, and loss. It can also help people overcome addictions. Additionally, journaling is an excellent tool for expressing emotions and developing insight. So, are you considering journaling? If so, give it a shot. It can't hurt to do it. Try it for a week to a month or longer. You will be glad you did.